morning. My name is Shoji Kanaoka. Originally from Japan. I was landscape design in Japan. I finished college. Then I was 3 years training in Kyoto. Then I studied for Japanese garden. Then I moved to the United States 79. I was in South Florida like a few years. Then I started working Disney 82. So almost open Disney. Then I was here. Then I would take care for the landscape over here, just over here. Then I start. So anyway.
My name is Ruparelia. I'm originally from Tennessee. I got my bachelor's in urban forestry at the University of Tennessee. I have been working at Disney for 4 years this year and learning from Shoji for 2 years. And this is our Shishi-odoshi garden for the EPCOT Flower and Garden Festival.
Shishi-odoshi means deer or boar scale. Most of them come from the nursery or vegetable garden people to make that noise, push away for the animals. That's originally. But after they figure out this is a good idea, then you put it in a Japanese garden. But this is Shishi-odoshi is a Disney version. So real one is in the top. So we'll see over there later.
So all the materials for the Shishi-odoshi garden were harvested at Animal Kingdom. And Shoji actually built some of the wind chimes that you'll see, the middle ones, on the arches. And we have a little hidden Mickey for everybody as well.
She made over there. That's nice. Actually, this one made for like kids. Because the flower festival, everybody look at flower. So like I'm like a humble guy. So I keep flowers beautiful, but I need some break. That's why maybe kids come over here and maybe enjoy. That's why there's this. Zen garden, people call, but we call for the rock garden over in Japan. These rocks are symbolized for the island or land. And the white sand is water. So like lake or like the ocean is over here. Like small scale, but we imagination to be like this. Then these small trees we call bonsai. The bonsai is bon is a dishes. The sai is a plant. So plant on a dish. That's why we call for the bonsai. But this is we have to do a lot of maintenance. We have to do root pruning. They also make style for the use of wire work. There's some wire work over there. They try to bend for the branches. They're also pruning. Then like pruning for the top and also pruning for the bottom. Root pruning, like some plant is every year for the root pruning. Some are like every year, next year or every 2 years pruning to make like keep small size of the plant.
And the main difference in the specialty pruning that you see in the rest of the garden and with these two pine trees is we do not root prune the trees that are growing in the garden. So they are not technically bonsais, they are specialty pruned trees.
Blood, we have blood go through the bend, so almost like this is satin. So our body is almost same way. So also like moving, we need like Japanese garden always moving. So
just like he was mentioning with the life through the garden, the water is the life of the garden. Every tree, you can see it really well with the tree at the very top once we get up to the creek. Every tree has a head and shoulders and then different layers throughout the body of the tree. for different purposes, for the style of it and how it looks.
Yeah, usually we use for the 1 minute, 5 minutes, but someone like 1 hour classes. So that can wait some people in the owner of the house thinking about time.
So thank you guys for joining us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you for being here.